Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that's near and dear to my heart, fitness. I've been passionate about health and wellness for many years now. And I've always been on the lookout for the best workout routine to help me achieve my goals. I've tried a lot of different things over the years, from running and lifting weights to yoga and Pilates. But I've never found anything that quite hit the mark like the ultimate workout. What is the ultimate workout? The ultimate workout is a revolutionary new fitness program that's designed to help you achieve your fitness goals in record time. It's based on the latest scientific research, and it's been proven to be effective for people of all ages and fitness levels. The ultimate workout is a full-body workout that targets all of your major muscle groups. It's also a high-intensity interval training HIIT workout, which means that you alternate between short bursts of intense exercise and periods of rest. This type of workout is incredibly effective for burning fat and building muscle. What are the benefits of the ultimate workout? There are many benefits to the ultimate workout, including increased fat loss, improved muscle tone, increased strength and endurance, improved cardiovascular health, reduced stress levels, improved mood. How to get started with the ultimate workout? The ultimate workout is available online and in a variety of apps. You can also find a variety of modifications to the workout to suit your fitness level. If you're new to the ultimate workout, I recommend starting with the beginner program. This program is designed to help you get used to the workout and gradually increase the intensity. Tips for success. Here are a few tips to help you succeed with the ultimate workout. Set realistic goals. Don't try to do too much too soon. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity of your workouts over time. Find a workout buddy. Having someone to work out with can help you stay motivated and on track. Make it a habit. Try to work out at the same time each day, so that it becomes a part of your routine. Listen to your body. If you're feeling pain, stop and rest. Don't try to push yourself too hard. Reward yourself. Celebrate your accomplishments along the way. This will help you stay motivated. Thanks for watching. I hope you're inspired to try the ultimate workout. Product link in the description. It's a truly amazing program that can help you achieve your fitness goals. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fitness tips and inspiration.